Both the F and E119 have the unique functionality to configure the Modbus communication port to send a receipt printing command. In this tutorial, we will learn how to set the printer output for a delivery ticket on the F or E119 flow totalizers. A delivery ticket is used to print the current delivered value after an operator ends the delivery. It shows specific delivery data such as a start and finish time, delivered total and delivery number. We will use the F119 as an example. The E119 is identical. Let's take a look at how this works. An RS232 or RS485 printer can be connected to terminal C1 to C4. To ensure a quick and easy installation, the optional Fluidwell printers come with a plug-and-play connector. Configuration to print a delivery ticket. Hold the Program button for 7 seconds. Menu 1 Total appears. Use the Clear and Select buttons to navigate to Menu 9.1 Mode. Press Prog to change this setting. Off disables the communication option. Bus RTU enables the Modbus RTU communication protocol. Bus ASCII enables the Modbus ASCII communication protocol. Printer enables the receipt printing function. Press Prog to store this setting. Change the following menu settings according to your requirements or preferences. Menu 9.2 up to 9.6 are communication settings, which can be set according to your hardware requirements. Menu 9.7 up to 9.A are printer settings, which can be set according to your printer requirements. Menu 9.B up to 10.4 are ticket settings, which can be set according to your ticket layout preferences. Menu 10.5 shows the unique sequential ticket number. It can be viewed or altered. The ticket number is incremented automatically with each new print command, but not when a ticket is reprinted. Menu 10.6 and 10.7 are used to configure a totalizer ticket and not used in this example. Proceed to Menu 10.8 Delivery to enable the delivery mode. Press Prog to change this setting. Press Select to change the setting to Enable. Press Prog to store this setting. Menu 10.9 shows the unique sequential delivery number. It can be viewed or altered. The delivery number is incremented automatically when a delivery is finished. Proceed to Menu 10.A Accumulated Total to add the accumulated total to the delivery ticket. Press Prog to change this setting. Press Select to change the setting to Print. Press Prog to store this setting. Menu 11.4 and 11.5 are the time and date settings and used to indicate the start and finish of a delivery. Now all is set, we are going back to Run mode. Hold Prog for 3 seconds to exit the Setup menu and return to Run mode. Congratulations! You have now set the printer output to print a delivery ticket after an operator command on the F or E119 flow totalizers. With the delivery mode enabled, the operator cannot clear the totalizer separately, but instead must end the delivery by pressing the Clear key or via the external reset input. This triggers the printing of a delivery ticket, immediately followed by the clearing of the totalizer and the start of a new delivery. Reprints of the last delivery ticket will show Reprint. They can be printed as long as a totalizer ticket is not printed, as that will overwrite the internal ticket data. Besides the delivery tickets, additional totalizer tickets can be printed on demand. This will not clear the totalizer value. All Fluidwell products have the same intuitive menu structure. When you know one, you know them all. Fluidwell understands. Your success counts.